Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a different type of video here because it's about, what, the third week of January. We all made some New Year's resolutions, and this is normally the time where people are like, I didn't even start my New Year's resolutions. I personally don't actually set any New Year's resolutions because my goals for me are ongoing. They don't have to start at the beginning of the year. For me, I can make a goal. I can set a goal at any time of year, any time of the week, or even during the day, and do little things every day to get to that goal. So I just wrote the goals that I want to do for I just wrote 2021 already. 2021. These are my goals for 2021. And what I'm going to do here in this video is I'm going to show you how I'm going to make one big overall goals page and then break one of these down to show how I'm going to keep track of that. So really it's looking at your overall big goal and then breaking it down into habits that will make you successful. All right, let's get started. Okay, so what I've got here is some dot grid filler paper from actually a notebook from the Happy Planner. And the reason that I'm using a mini size is, one, I don't have classic dot grid paper, but two, this way it's always in my catch-all planner and I can see it whenever I'd like. So I'm using the new goal sticker book that came out in the most recent Be Happy box. I wanted to use it because there's just some great stickers in here and they're all made for goal setting. So look, there's different ones like family goals, spiritual goals, financial goals, career goals. Ooh, that is a gooder. But what I think I'm gonna do for this main big page here, this will just be all of the goals. And then this sticker book just has like week 1, week 2. So it really is encouraging you to break down these big goals into the smaller ones. So, and there's a morning, I like that, morning routine, big plans, today's mantra, positive mindset, notes and things, noted. Okay, so I kind of know what's in here. I think I might use this page along with big plans, maybe mix the two of them up and use them to create my goals for 2020. What I'm also going to do is do some hand lettering on the top here, but first I have, what, 6 goals, so maybe just use this page and make it very, very simple, or just use all 6 of these. Thing is, if I use all 6 of these, they're not going to fit. So big plans it is. And you can make this work for however many goals you have. But the key thing that I've learned over the years is that when you're making these goals, you have to follow, what is it, the SMART rule. So it has to be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, as well as time specific. And I love that. Because, I mean, we've all set that goal before of, for example, I've done it, where I've set the goal of I want to lose weight, but I never put it down to any specific timeline. I never broke it down to what I was going to do. Just because you set a goal doesn't mean it's magically going to happen. And I hate to say this, but I've seen this before where people people join a weight loss program and, you know, a few weeks later, and you see this meme on Facebook a lot, like you see the few weeks later, it's like, oh, I signed up for the program, but I haven't lost any weight. You haven't done the work. You have to do the work in order to achieve your goal. And for me, I'm an Enneagram, I'm a 3-wing 2, but one of my motivators is my achievements. I do like getting recognized for my achievements. So see, very simple already. And it doesn't need a lot of a decoration. So I'm gonna do Dream Big up here. There. And I mean, there's not a lot of decorative stuff in this sticker book, but I really wanted to show you how easy it is to just do a goals page and then write down your goals in each one and make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time specific. So the first one is pay off my line of credit, and my plan is to pay it off by, is it May 31st? May 31st of 2021. So and I have had this line of credit for 4 years, and I got stuck in a place where it was, I was just paying off interest. So I'm now at a place where I'm able to break down how much I'm paying off to all of my, you know, to my different debts every month, so that I've planned out when I'm gonna get there. The next one is complete, and I say 4 through 6 because 4 through 6 beach body programs. In all of 2020. And I say complete because I can start one and then quit midway through. So I want to make sure I finish anywhere from 4 through 6. And I say that number, that range, because there's some workouts like muscle burns fat that's only 3 weeks, whereas other workouts can be anywhere up to 12 weeks. So I want to give myself the flexibility to do really short programs or really long programs. And so far I am really enjoying them. And this also means that if there is one program that I enjoy doing over and over, if I can do that anywhere from 4 to 6 times in a year, that also means I've achieved my goal. The next one is read 21 books in 2021. That's a little, I say scary for me, but saying that, I did manage to read, I think, 22 in 2020, so it is possible. The other one here is, this one is a daily goal. So this one is 12,000 steps per day. That one is a daily goal, and I've included it here because this one's an ongoing one. This one is just a consistent goal. And then this one is declutter every room in the house by, and this one's scary for me, May 2021. But if I break it down by week, if I can break it down, a really overwhelming goal can be manageable. And then this last one is probably my scariest one. And it is open Etsy shop with my hand-lettered stickers by June 2021. Scary, 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 but, and I've announced it to the world now, but basically you notice that with all of my goals, they are specific. They are realistic, specific, measurable, they are achievable, realistic, and time specific. Because if I just said open Etsy shop, if I don't have a timestamp on it, there is no sense of urgency. The sense of urgency, I think, is so important when making a goal. When you're setting a goal and you just kind of put it out into the ether without any timestamp on it, there's no sense of, well, I need to do this and this and this to get to this by this time. So really, that is the point of putting the timestamp on these, is that there is a sense of urgency because I do want to achieve these. So that is the overall goals page. Very simple, but has a lot of meaning. You can make this as decorative as you want, or you can keep it as simple as this. So I'm going to flip the page over and basically break down one of those goals. And I'm just trying to think which one I want to break down for you guys. So the goal I'm going to break down here for you guys is opening up my Etsy shop. And this is the thing here. This is the sticker that I wanted to use. Let's go with blue. Green. Because here I'm going to put this in the corner. And then use the rest of the space to be able to break things down as well. And what I'm also going to do, there was something that I wanted to include, financial and career goals. Okay, I can include these in here. So, for example, the financial goal would be included, like this is more saving up for what I need for the shop. And then the career goal would be, I wish there was one that said creative goal, but the career goal would be, actually I'm not going to put a career goal down, I'm going to put monthly goals, because then this gives me the ability to break down what exactly it is I need to do each month. So it's January, so I need February, March, April, May, June. So, well, 4 months really. I'm going to break it down to 4 months. I'm actually quite nervous with this because it is a huge goal for me. And should things work out, it will be helpful for my husband to be able to stay home or else quit his full-time job and instead, you know, be home and we can focus on this. So very scary, but cool. So then what I'm gonna do is, there was a quote that I wanted to put down on this side. Is goal getter. Gosh, you guys have no idea how nervous I am making this, and work hard. When you put your dreams down on paper like this, and it's scary. Scary. Where'd I put my pen? So then, using these stickers, I'm going to fill out this main one, which is, open up the Etsy shop. Open. It is open, but Etsy shop for stickers. And the end date, or basically, I don't know, how would you put that? Would be the start date? Okay, so no, that's when you start working towards it, but the end date, so the goal date, I don't like the end date. So I'm gonna scratch that out and put release date. Let's go with June 2021. So action steps. Action steps. I need to purchase Cricut and a proper printer. I need to purchase sticker paper, envelopes, packaging, and then I also need to, gosh, is that even in screen? I also need to work on designs. So financial goals, when it comes to purchasing a Cricut and a printer and all the materials that go with that, along with purchasing the paper and envelopes and packaging, I need to make sure I have enough saved up every month in order to do so. So I'm gonna, and as well, every month work on the designs. I can't leave that for the very last, 2 weeks before I want to open. It's something that I need to continually work on every month. And actually breaking it down like this is making it seem a lot more manageable. So in terms of financial goals, I need to look at the price of a Cricut. So look at Cricut. I'm actually going to white that out and move that over a bit because that's not enough room to write down the price of a Cricut. And then price of the printer. And sticker paper. And possibly vinyl. And so packaging. So anything like envelopes and shipping and stuff. Okay, and then monthly goal. So this was February, March, April, May. So I'm going to write February. And I'm going to put a saving goal as well as even a design goal. So a creative goal. So each month I'm going to set a goal for how much I want to, or how much I need to save. And creative, like start creating. And I mean, the reason that I'm not opening up the shop now is because I don't necessarily have the bandwidth for it. And I don't have the funds to be able to buy that stuff now. Save creative, and I don't have the, and plus we're getting a new puppy in a couple of weeks, so I'd like to be able to dedicate some time to the puppy. But the goal is to be able to open this up and then hopefully by the end of 2021, have made it a sustainable enough business to at least get my husband to do part-time work instead of full-time work. All right, so that is the goals page. I was going to use these, but then I didn't. So really what I like about this book is that it is super functional, but you can make the most out of this book by creating a very, very simple goals page using just a few stickers and then breaking down your goals into habits that are about saving, about creating, that will help you get to your goal overall. All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. I did a similar spread to this sometime last year, and I found it really helpful to break things down into things that I could check off. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.